GraphQL versus REST, two API styles for fetching data, differing in who shapes the response.
Both share the same architecture. A client sends a request to a server, which queries a database and returns a response. The analogy is a restaurant. You're the client ordering, the server is the waiter, the database is the kitchen.
REST models everything as resources, each at its own URL, an endpoint. You use HTTP verbs like get and post against them, and every endpoint returns a fixed predefined JSON structure. Hit it and you get exactly that shape. But that fixed shape has a cost. Ask for a user just to show their name, and you get the whole record, every field. Sending data you never use is overfetching.
The flip side is underfetching. A single profile screen needs the user, their posts, and their followers, but each lives behind a separate endpoint, so the client makes 3 round trips, each waiting on the last. That request waterfall adds latency, especially on slow mobile networks. GraphQL flips the control, one endpoint backed by a strongly typed schema, where the client sends a declarative query naming exactly the fields it wants. The server resolves those fields and returns that shape in 1 round trip. No overfetching, no waterfall.
Side by side, REST has many endpoints with fixed payloads and caches easily over HTTP. GraphQL has one endpoint where the client picks the fields. Flexible, but caching gets harder.
So which fits? Pick REST for simple, public, or cache-heavy APIs. Pick GraphQL for nested data and many client types, and plenty of systems run both. REST is a fixed menu. GraphQL, a custom order. Thanks for watching.